Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to restart your S7 Edge. If your phone is frozen, unresponsive, or experiencing minor glitches, a forced restart is often the quickest solution. This method is essential when the screen isn't responding to touch or the device is completely locked up. It's a safe and effective way to refresh your phone's system without losing any data. Let's dive into the specific steps you need to take. To perform a forced restart, simultaneously press and hold both the power button and the volume down button. You'll find the power button on the right side of your S7 Edge, and the volume buttons are on the left. Keep holding these two buttons down together for about 10 seconds. Your screen will go black, and then the Samsung logo will appear, indicating that your phone is restarting. Release the buttons once you see the logo. This forced restart method is your go-to solution for several common issues. If your S7 Edge screen isn't responding to your touches, or if an app has caused your entire phone to freeze, this technique will help. It's also effective for clearing out minor software bugs that might be slowing down your device or causing unexpected behavior. Think of it as a quick refresh for your phone's operating system, getting it back to normal operation. Before attempting a forced restart, ensure your S7 Edge has at least a small amount of battery charge. While this method is safe, it's best not to rely on it as your primary restart option. Use it mainly when your phone is unresponsive. Regular restarts through the power menu are generally preferred for routine maintenance. And speaking of great finds, if you're tired of cheap socks, check out the link in the description for darn tough socks and other fantastic deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, so you know they're built to last. Don't miss out on those savings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.